What's up, y'all? This is Vincanity, and first of all, I just want to say Happy New Year. For a lot of us, this past year has been a little bit crazy, but to say the least, life is good. I wanted to start off by giving all of you a little update on myself. For me, this past year has been definitely a time of struggle, but also a really great opportunity for growth. Since March, my main source of income has just pretty much not been possible. So it's really given me a lot of opportunities to grow in different areas, like teaching online, like my online store, like a number of other business ventures that I've gone through. I always like to see things as a blessing in disguise and every struggle as an opportunity to grow. One thing that happens to the best of us is we get comfortable, and we get real comfortable to the point where we're not learning, we're not growing. And 2020 really has forced a lot of us to learn and grow. So I'm thankful for that. Today, I wanted to give all of you some announcements and some updates. My online classes are still in their infant stages. Class sizes are all pretty small, but my students are growing, they're getting better, they're learning, and I think that's probably the most important part for that. This past month, we pretty much focused all on flow moves, right? We learned all different types of flow. Next month in January, we're actually gonna do a whole month of threads, which I'm really excited to do. I personally love working on threads. It's something that's really exciting for me. So I'm looking forward to sharing this with everybody. If you're interested in signing up for these workshops, make sure you click the link below. Sign up for my intermediate breaking masterclass. And if you want to continue with the beginning classes, make sure you sign up for my beginner classes as well. Next month, we also are doing a turtle masterclass. I've never taught a turtle tutorial, but the turtle was one of my first power moves, so I'm really excited to share this with you. So if you're interested, again, click the link below, sign up for the masterclass for next month. Second announcement I have, which some of you might already know, is that I now have 5 brand new shirts that I made. I've been selling the same merch for a long time, and a lot of it's just been sitting there, so I figure it's time that we need to put some new designs out. So I've spent a lot of time really collaborating with artists and trying to think of new ideas and think of things that are relevant for people and that people can relate to. So if you can, please go check out my merch. Even if you don't buy anything, just check it out, see what it is, give me some feedback on it, see what you like, see what you don't like. Next, if you haven't noticed already, I've been doing a lot of training videos on my channel. I really want all of you to train. I think a lot of people utilize my channel to learn something and then that's it. But I really want to help be there during the process, help assist you, to help give you the tools and also the motivation to continue to train and grow, even if you're at home. I put a lot of videos of training just right in the room right here. The intention is to motivate you to practice, but at the same time, it motivates me to practice too. So, I'm thankful for that. Anyways, I want to leave all of you with an important question. And this is a question I often ask myself. And that is, what are you gonna do to change your reality? What are you gonna do right now to change your future? What are you gonna do right now to change tomorrow? In our world, in our communities, we have a ton of people with ideas, with opinions, with suggestions. But at the end of the day, a lot of those people just leave those suggestions out there. They keep making suggestions. They keep coming up with ideas. They keep saying it, talk. A lot of those people never do anything about it. And then 5 years go by, 10 years go by, and they're still sitting back complaining, why hasn't anybody done this? The thought that goes through my head when I see these types of complaints is, why haven't you done anything? Because honestly, us sitting back and waiting for things to happen, waiting for time to take its course, isn't gonna get us anywhere. And sitting back waiting for this superhero to come through and save the day for us isn't gonna change anything. What's actually gonna make the change is you. A long time ago when I first decided I wanted to become a professional dancer, I had this mentality of people should call me. People should take action to book me to teach, to book me to do a show. And I remember someone telling me, no, you're wrong. You have to reach out to them. And I was like, what do you mean? They want to book me. Why do I reach out to them? And what I slowly realized is that rarely happens. Opportunities aren't going to come knocking at your door every single day. But you know what you could do? Every day you could go knock at opportunities' doors. And you know what? Sometimes you're going to get no's after no's after no's. But you know what? One of those yeses is gonna open a door for you. It's really up to you to take that action. Despite whatever situation you're in, let's continue to work harder than ever. If not for us, for our kids, for our future generations. Let's put in the work, let's get the opportunities, let's share with our communities. Hope everyone's doing well. Happy 2021. Peace.